So here is how you can make more money with AdSense on YouTube. The average creator on YouTube makes between $2 to $5 per 1,000 views from AdSense, but you can make way higher than that. My other channel is monetized since a couple of years, and I find out there are 3 things that matters for increasing your AdSense earnings. And now let's see what they are.
First of all, the countries where your audience lives matters how much money your channel makes. So currently we are on channel analytics, and let's go to the advanced mode. And once you are in advanced mode, select geography. And here you can see the countries where your audience are watching your videos. For example, the majority of my audience for this channel is from India, and the second place comes United States, and this goes so on. Now here I would like to show you something. Select the secondary metric, and you can add here another metric to make a comparison. If you choose from here, from the revenue tab, CPM, cost per mil, which means that how much an advertiser pays per 1,000 views. Okay, now here you see something interesting, which is each country has a different cost per mil, which means that, for example, if all of your viewers are from Pakistan, you will get $1 per 1,000 views. But if all of your viewers are from the United States, then you'll get like $25, which is 25 times more with the same amount of views. So that's why where your audience lives has a big impact, has a big importance on how much money your channel makes, because for each country, as you can see, the advertisers are paying different amount of money. The second important thing is the length of your video. For example, let's choose this one. If your videos are longer than 8 minutes, okay, and when you go to the monetization tab, you should see here the option of manage mid-rolls, which means that if your videos are longer than 8 minutes, you can include additional ads in the middle of your videos. So if you click on the manage mid-rolls, if you don't do anything, normally it is done automatically, but if you prefer, you can also include here additional ads. And when your video has additional ads, then you will make additional money. But if your video is shorter than 8 minutes, let's choose this one for example, and go to the monetization tab. Now we see that we are not allowed to include any additional ads because the videos are shorter than 8 minutes. So when you achieve to make videos longer than 8 minutes, then you will earn much more money with the same amount of views. And finally, which is very, very important while earning money on YouTube, is the topic of your videos or the niche of your channel, because each topic has a different value in the eyes of advertisers. For example, if I choose a programming video, which is longer than 8 minutes, as you can see, and we go to the revenue tab, we see that advertisers pay almost $18 worth for this video. Let's choose another video. For example, let's choose a technology specific video, this one, a video about MacBooks and Apple. Now pay attention, this is a much shorter video, and when we go to the revenue tab, we see that advertisers pay $25, which is much more than the previous video. So if you have a channel which has a higher value, like this one for example, then you can increase and earn a lot more money with the same amount of views in comparison to another channel with a much lower value. The important thing to find out here is that which niches or which topics brings much more money, but for later I need to do some research on that, and once I found the most profitable niches on YouTube, then I will make a separate video for that. If you are interested in learning similar topics, then you can subscribe to my channel. See you guys in the next video.